Let me tell you something that nobody tells new traders. Most people aren't losing money because they picked the wrong stock. They're losing because they picked the wrong style. Trying to day trade like a sniper one day, then suddenly becoming Warren Buffett the next day. The result? No strategy sticks and your account bleeds. Today we're gonna fix that. You'll finally understand the difference between day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. The mindset, tools, and traps of each, and which one matches your personality and goals. Know yourself and you will win all battles. Sun Tzu. Part 1. Quick definitions. Day trading. Buy and sell same stock within a day, sometimes within minutes. The goal is small, fast profits, and this requires constant attention and super quick decision making. Quick tip, 95% of day traders lose money. Why? They treat it like gambling, not like running a business. Swing trading. Hold positions from a few days to a few weeks. The goal? To capture medium-term trends. Less screen time, more flexibility. Quick tip, it's not lazy day trading. Smart swing traders use daily and weekly charts, combining technical and fundamental setups. Long-term investing. Hold for years, even decades. Ride companies' growth, plus dividends, plus compounding returns. Quick tip, it's not passive. True investors still watch earnings, balance sheets, and economic trends, and adjust portfolios during market cycles. Part 2. Pros and cons and hidden traps. Day trading. Pros. Instant gratification, small wins daily, no overnight risks, and tons of setups every day. Volatility is your friend. Cons. It can be emotionally exhausting. High commission fees eat into your profits, and you need super fast execution platforms. Swing trading. Pros. Flexibility. You can trade part-time, lower fees, fewer trades. Trends are more predictable on daily charts. Cons. Overnight news risks. Earnings, geopolitical events can gap against you. It requires patience and clear rules. Investing. Compound returns, dividends reinvested equals magic. My favorite. Less stress. You're not reacting to daily noise. And number 3, tax advantages. Long-term capital gains. Cons. Slow results, especially in sideways markets. Big crashes can wipe years of gains. Part 3. Personality match test. Ask yourself, do you thrive under pressure? Do you love fast decisions and can stomach losing days? Then day trading is for you. But only if you treat it like a 9-to-5 job with strict rules. Number 2. Do you prefer flexibility but want short-term wins with technical setups? Then swing trading is for you. Combine fundamental filters, good earnings, news catalyst with chart patterns. And number 3, you have no desire to stare at charts all day. Long-term investing is your game. Think years or decades, not days. Quick tip, you can blend them. Many pros day trade small capital, swing trade midterm plays, and keep 70 to 80% in long-term dividend stocks or ETFs. My portfolio, for example, I like to hold about 85% on cash flowing real estate and long-term investing dividend stocks combined. And then I like to hold 10% on hedging into gold, because gold cannot be zero no matter what happens to the US dollar. You can always barter it. And then I use 5% for gambling or day trading. Part 4, common mistakes to avoid. Day trading with rent money. You'll panic, you'll overtrade, and you'll lose. Never trade with funds you can't lose. Swing trading without a stop loss. One overnight news event can be a big disaster. Long-term investing and ignoring valuation. Buy and hold doesn't mean buy at any price. Check PE ratios, debt levels, and earning trends. Part 5, real-life examples. Meet Cathy Wood versus Warren Buffett. Cathy Wood's ARK funds, high growth, innovative stocks, frequent adjustments equals swing to long-term investing hybrid. Warren Buffett, value investor, long-term. But even Buffett exits bad positions. He dumped airline stocks during the 2020 COVID pandemic. Listen, no loyalty to one style. Loyalty is to strategy, data, and discipline. You see, the market doesn't care if you're a day trader, swing trader, or a long-term investor. But it does care if you're disciplined, consistent, and patient. Find your lane, master it, and stick to it. This is the secret sauce. Now, for more investing, finance, real estate, and macroeconomics, let's all learn about it together. I'll see you in the next video.